other common mistake, which falls into common mistake number 11, is not making sure that you are saving the adequate amount of your commission checks to keep the business going and to allow to pay your taxes as well. Now, here's a couple of recommendations. So I know that agents typically think, okay, so if they've got a transaction and they've got a $9,000 commission check coming in, they're going to spend $10,000. Doesn't work that way. So here's a good general rule of thumb, and don't shoot me, I'm just the messenger, on some of the recommendations from those in the accounting world of how to break down your commission and what to set aside into where. You may want to grab a pencil and paper and jot this one down. So if your average commission, and again, I just got some numbers for easy calculation. If your commission is $7,500, you pay yourself half, 50%. So that means your paycheck is $3,750. You want to set aside 30% for operating expenses. Operating expenses would be covering all of your dues, all of your fees, all of your additional marketing, and so on and so on and so on. So it is recommended that that is the 30%, and that would come to, in this scenario, $2,250. Taxes, and again, everyone's tax bracket is different, so please check with your accountant, your CPA, whoever does your taxes, on what is the accurate tax amount you should be holding aside for taxes. And in this example, it is being recommended that 15% be held aside for taxes, or $1,125. That's a profit of 5% that's left, and that's $375. That $375, the 5% profit, you want to split it in half. So $187.50 would go into an account marked savings, or for the rainy day, or when the market shifts, or you've got to take time away. So just know that that is one of the recommendations. The other half of that 5%, or another $187.50, is what's called a bonus. Now, you would let that bonus accrue up and then pay yourself out the bonus every quarter, every 6 months, once a year, however you want to do it. But by having at least some calculation of how much you actually get paid versus operating expenses, because you have a business, your taxes, your profit, and then splitting the profit down will help keep you in business and on track. Now, if you really want to be snazzy, you can go into an Excel sheet, and you can actually put in a formula that will calculate this all out. If you really need that, email me. So email me at lhamilton@samsonproperties.net and ask me for the Excel spreadsheet for finances, and I'll kick it over to you. And again, you can adjust those numbers as you need to. So all you have to do then is put in your commission, and it will automatically calculate out your categories for you, and you'll know exactly how much needs to be put aside. Okay, so there is tip number 10 and 11 of common mistakes agents make and how to avoid them. We'll see you next time.